Some things get better with age, and I think this beautiful girl is proof. Meet her, a classic 1950s villa situated in Tindalls Bay, one of the most iconic coastlines on the Hibiscus coast. She has charm, she has character, and like all true classics, she has just become more beautiful with time. But what you see is not what makes her special, it is what she's held. Over the years, she has seen family celebrations, businesses being built, and children growing up. And now it's your turn to turn the page. Her heart is the kitchen, a space where family and friends naturally gather. She'll spoil you with a stunning primary suite and 2 beautifully renovated bathrooms, all wrapped in the charm that she's carried for decades. Sitting proudly on a fully fenced freehold 809 square meter section, she's just moments from the beaches and Manly Village. A location with lifestyle, a story waiting to be continued. Welcome to your next chapter.